Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EueoLil Bluetooth thermal label printer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, highlight features or overview summary are include. Bluetooth connection. Bluetooth printer easily connect and use, supports Bluetooth connections between iOS, Android and Windows computer systems. Android phones need to search for print label through Android on Google Play, and iOS can directly search for EueoLil through the App Store to download it. Please pay special attention, Mac computer cannot connect to printer via Bluetooth. Please carefully read the instruction manual and use the video before use. USB PC and laptop. Label printer supports printing hot tags on Windows and Mac computers and laptops using USB connection. Please insert the USB flash drive to install the driver/Mac system before use. We have an additional Type-C interface for your convenience. We have installed the video of each model and the driver of each model on the USB drive. You just need to click on the corresponding model to watch the video of the video and install it. This is very friendly to those who don't have that much technology. Powerful hardware saves you trouble. Thermal printer advanced thermal direct technology is adopted, no ink, no toner. You only need simple installation steps to get started, and the internal structure we have added advanced infrared sensing technology to make the printer more paper saving. And we use the most advanced small print head with a resolution of up to 203 dpi and a printing speed of up to 160 mm per second, which means you can print up to 70 labels in a minute, greatly saving you time and cost. Efficient and clear and portable. Widely used, shipping label printer. The printer supports label printing of various models, such as fanfold label, roller label. Roller labels require additional purchase of roller label holders. Support labels with width ranges from 1.18 to 4.1 inch, typical label sizes are 2x1, 3x1, 3x2, 4x6 inch thermal labels. These label sizes are also widely used on major platforms such as USPS, UPS, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, PayPal, Poshmark, and more. Simple and efficient. This portable printer it is suitable for printing various labels. In addition, it can also create new custom labels, print photos, and custom print content, etc., so that portable printer is not limited to printing labels. For this purpose, we also named it Multifunction Home Thermal Label Printer. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.